Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily download any story on Instagram using Google Chrome. If you don't already have Google Chrome installed, I'll have a link in the description to a video I've done on how to get it installed. So let's go and get started. The first thing you want to do is load the page on Instagram that has the link to the story. So as you can see, I'm on the Gauging Gadgets Instagram page and I have some highlighted stories here, so I'll just click these and they'll open them. But before I click and open them, what I want to do is open up the developer options in Chrome. We do that by selecting the three dots at the top right, then going to more tools, and then going to developer tools. Now that the developer tools are open, select network in the top tab, and then under filters, select media. Now what we need to do is open the story. So when I click it,
Hey Google.
once I open the story, this line right here showed up under the developer options. We can right click that, then go to open a new tab. And as you can see, the story is now playing. So we can right click that and then go to save video as, and then you can just save the video. Once the video is downloaded, we can open it up and there you go. We've downloaded a story from Instagram. So that's how you download any story from Instagram using Google Chrome. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.